24 hours in a day. We all have the same amount of time. Oftentimes I hear people comment when they see healthier people eat bad or do something bad or take a break. How can they look so good and eat that or do that? They must be different. They must be special. And they're really not. The difference is that healthier people take time to do the things they like to do. They do the things they need to do to be healthier. They take a couple hours on the weekend and meal prep. That saves them time during the week that they can move, eat, exercise, etc. They watch TV. I watch TV. But we don't sit there endless hours binge watching episodes of TV. We make time for movement. At the end of the day, it's just making small tweaks in your lifestyle. Maybe not binge watching hours of TV, only cutting back to an hour, 2 hours, and then getting it moving. It's maybe taking a couple hours on the weekend to meal prep, get your food ready for the week. It's little small tweaks that will make you healthier and make you healthier in the long run. In that same 24 hours that person, that fit person you see has. All right, and you can be that fit person too, that healthy person. All right, you can be healthy and fit too.